Okay, someone asked me what kind of trailer I use to haul golf carts, so I'm going to try to hurry up and show you. First of all, I drive a pickup truck myself, just a normal trailer hitch on there, little receiver, and I have a tilt trailer which get ready to hook up for you. Love this thing. This thing is perfect for hauling one golf cart at a time. Okay, I'm going to show you how it works, how I operate it. But if you're a one-man show or don't have much room to do this, to store this, this is an awesome setup. I think I can go get any golf cart by myself. I put a cheap Harbor Freight winch on it, 12 volt. Got a little 12 volt battery I carry around with me, this one right here, that I hook up when I need to winch a dead cart up by myself. So anyway, let me get this out and hopefully show you how I operate this. Right now I'm going to hook it up to that. Okay, so the trailer is hooked up to the truck. So let's say I am going to put a golf cart on here. I come over here, I pull this pin out, this locking lever, I lift it up. So now the trailer will tilt. See how it tilts and the bottom drops on the floor? So what I do, see, let me back up and see. So that's what it looks like there. Then when I tilt it, now, because I put this winch on here on the front, it adds extra weight. So I carry this tire, just a 10-inch tire for counterweight. I put it on that tail light, and look. Now, see, and I either drive the golf cart up there by myself, or I winch it up. Once I drive over past the balance point, the trailer will come down and lock in. Then I get out, I put the pin in. Then golf cart's on there. All I have to do is tie it down. And when I tie it down, where's my strap? I gotta show you. I bought this 5-foot cable. Put it down here. This 5-foot cable, kryptonite or something cable. And I'll show you how I do this later. I'm getting ready to go pick up a couple golf carts one at a time. But I wrap this cable around the axle. I come underneath here. I go over here around the other axle and I wrap it around here and I put a padlock on it. And that holds that thing, that cart, until I get where I'm going. I used to put straps and stuff down on it, and I ruined a guy's nice paint job by the straps rubbing on his paint. I will never do that again. So, okay, I'm going to try to demonstrate how this tilt trailer works for you guys. Right now it's all hooked up to the truck. I have to release the safety pin, undo the lock. It's a one-man show here, so I take my tire for a counterweight, hang it on this, and watch the trailer tilt. I need the counterweight again because of the weight of the winch I have on here. So now that's ready. I'm going to drive up on this by myself, and you should see, hopefully, when the weight gets past the center here, this thing should tilt. And this is how I load golf carts by myself. Okay, here we go. Usually I put a pillow up there to keep from scratching the front end. Boom. I need to oil that. It should have locked in. Oh, it did lock. No, it didn't. So then there. Cotter pin before I lose it. That, I loaded it by myself. Brakes on. Now that it's on, I can take off my counterweight before I drive down the freeway with that hanging on there. And that's it. Now, all I do is secure it, tie it down. Okay, got my gloves on. This is that 5-foot cable I was telling you about, this kryptonite cable. And what I do, if you can see, I take this, I go underneath here, I wrap it around this leaf spring, like this, okay? Then I take this loop through that one, pull all the slack out of it, like this. Then I go underneath my motor, but I go over this bar, so this bar would have to break before this cart can go loose. Then I go over, put the cable over above the A-arm, like this. I pull, I wrap it around here, I think 3 times. I get my padlock, combination padlock. I lock the cable to the other side. Done. There it is. See, it's wrapped around this side. It comes under the winch right here, over, around there, wrap it around here, padlock. This is how I transport this golf cart. That is all I use besides setting the parking brake. When I first started out, I used to put those straps from here. I'd go around here, and I had one in it rubbed on a custom paint job right here and just ruined it. That sucked. And I used to put one in the back, same thing. You're putting it around seats and stuff. So anyway, this is how I do it. It's very easy for me as a one-man show to do this. And maybe I'll make a video sometime when I use the winch. But anyway, I just wanted to show you how a little one-man trailer, and you can see this is a regular golf cart, which is 4x8. So this trailer I got, it looks like it's 10 feet. It's 5x10, it looks like. And that's all I need with a single. I'm getting ready now to go haul a 4-seater, like one of those over there. And see how much room I still got on here? So anyway, I love this trailer, just love it. And that's what I suggest, the easiest thing to do, especially if you go around hauling carts with dead batteries and stuff. So hopefully you enjoyed this little trailer video, and please subscribe to our channel. Please watch our videos. Ring that bell so you get future ones. And check out our eBay store. We're starting to slowly put parts up there. If you're looking for parts or advice, contact us. waynesgolfcartservice at gmail.com. And let us know if you want to see a video on something on electric golf carts. Thank you.